If you're scared to start a faceless channel, just wait till you see how easy it can be. With AI and some clever shortcuts, you can create faceless content in minutes. Let me show you how to start a channel in any niche on any topic and in a matter of moments. Step one, you're going to find your perfect content. So you're going to head over to PLR.me and you're going to search over 18,700 different resources, different products that you can quickly and easily turn into faceless content without having to try to write a single word. You can skip any brainstorming because you've got ebooks, guides, pre-packaged, done-for-you content that are going to save you hours. Let me show you how. So you're just going to come right up top here. You're going to type in, say, productivity is what you're searching for. And once we start to go search, we're going to find that there are 620 done-for-you coaching handouts and bundles, all under the topic productivity. So all we have to do here is scroll through, find the exact product we're looking for. Now, once you've chosen your product, you're going to want to go ahead and click on that download button. That's going to download that into your PLR.me downloads, but also right to your desktop. So you have it available anytime you need it, right at your fingertips. And once you've done that, we're going to click on the AI assisted text editor. And what you're going to see is a text editor, just like a Word or Google Docs, whatever you're familiar with. So that means we can come in here, we can drop in. Maybe you've written content in the past that is around this topic, say productivity, and I could just copy and paste that from wherever I have that saved. Or I could go ahead and add in testimonials. I could add in video. I could add in images. So many different ways you could turn this into your unique piece of content. But for your faceless channel, we don't really need to do much of any of that. We can just keep it exactly as it is. Now, one other way, if you did want to make some changes, you can go ahead and highlight anything within here and you're going to see Ask AI pops right up. So yes, you have the opportunity to use AI to transform this content as well. If you want to flesh it out a little bit, add in some bullet points, maybe a quote. It's going to go out there. It's going to do all of that work for you. So you never have to worry about, does it sound just like somebody else's piece of content? Nope. You have the opportunity to turn it into something completely unique. All right. So now once you've done that, we're on to step number 2. So one of the biggest hurdles with any social media content is a script, right? Script writing can be tedious, monotonous, quite frankly, pretty boring. But with AI, it never has to be again. So we're going to head over to the AI Marketing Assistant. All we have to do is come right back up top here. You can see, use the AI Marketing Assistant. If I click on that, that's going to open us up into a whole bunch of different templates. And what we're looking for here is this one right here, video script. So we're going to click on that. Now, what's going to happen here is it's going to take everything you've dropped into the text editor and it's going to instantly, just like that, turn it into a video script that we're going to use for our faceless channel. So you can go ahead, add in your target audience, type of expert, anything you want it to further customize, or you don't have to put anything in at all, and you can just simply click generate. Now, once we have this video script, we can once again open that up into the AI-assisted text editor. We can see it's given us the intro, the main content, and then all of those bullet points. Now, from here, you can further tweak it just like we did. You can add in all of your own information because remember, it's a text editor. So delete, use Ask AI to make any changes. And as soon as we've done that, it's time for step 3. Now we're going to turn that script into audio with the AI Audio Creator. So we're going to come right up top here to export. And now we're going to choose MP3. And from here, you can choose from any variety, any number of different languages. You can give it an accent. You can choose the age, the sex, and then down below here, you can listen to any of these voices and you can choose your exact audio. Now, once you've decided on that, you're going to go ahead and click generate.
Be the master of your day. 6. Simple strategies to manage your time and boost your productivity. Do you ever feel like the day just slips through your fingers? Like you're constantly running out of time, but your to-do list keeps growing? you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into 6 simple strategies that'll help you take control of your day, manage your time more effectively, and boost your productivity.
It is turning this script into your audio. So not only is it faceless, but you don't even have to record that script that AI just created because magically AI is creating the audio for you. Now let's move on to step number 4. Now we can't create a video without visuals, right? So let's create those in a matter of seconds using the AI image generator. So once again, we're going to come up top here. You're going to click on what looks like a picture, and you have available to you anything you've already generated with the AI image generator. But for these purposes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So we're going to click on generate. Over here is where you're going to drop your prompt. And don't worry if you don't consider yourself a prompt genius. That's okay. We've got you because Ask AI is built right here into the AI image generator as well. So you can just give it a basic idea. So maybe woman sitting at desk looking productive. Not quite sure what that looks like, but we'll find out. Then we ask AI just by clicking on that blue button, and it's going to come back with as you can see, a lot more descriptive prompt. Now from here, we can choose our styles. So you have all kinds of styles to choose from to find exactly what looks like your brand, what feels like your brand. You can choose from any one of these. And don't worry, if you don't like it, you can always redo it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose this one right here. Then I'm going to come over to size, and depending on where I'm going to post this, I can choose from any number, Facebook to Instagram, posts, carousels, reels, whatever size you're looking for. I'm just going to keep the standard square, and then I'm going to click generate. And now here you go. In a matter of seconds, I have an image generated that I could either download all 6 of these. I could just download one. I could go ahead and create a new request if I want to try my hand at that prompt again. But I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to download all. That's going to download it right to your desktop. So once again, you've got these available for life to use wherever you want to use them. You could also turn this into a GIF with a tool like easygif.com, or I'm going to show you one other way that's going to be drop dead simple with pixverse.ai. So here we are at Pixverse, and what we're going to do is animate one of our images. So this is going to take a matter of seconds instead of messing around and trying to maybe stitch all 6 of those images together and turn them into a GIF or a video. All right, so here we are at pixverse.ai, and from here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload an image just like the one you see on my screen. That was originally just an image I created with the AI image generator, and just like that, take a look at what it created. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my image, any one of these that we had just downloaded. And once I choose that, I can go ahead and click on effect, and they've got a whole bunch of built-in effects so you can play around with these, see which one you like. Let's try squish it and see exactly what that does. I'm going to go ahead and create. All right, so this may or may not be exactly what you're going for, but it is a lot of fun, right? So as you can see, there's a lot here for you to play around with depending on exactly how you want to animate that image without taking any time. I will warn you, it's a lot of fun, so you might fall down the rabbit hole like I have in just playing around with these. But what it does is it opens up a whole new world to you. If you've wanted to start a faceless channel, you're not comfortable with showing up on video, well, this is the option for you. And from here, once you download this image, all you need to have is all of those little pieces. So you're going to go back and you're going to download your audio. You've got that script already done. So the last step is to simply put that audio on top of your video. So to add your audio to your video, there's plenty of free apps out there that'll let you do this very simply. Depending on if you are on Android or an Apple device, well, there's iMovie. There's also InShot. I mentioned CapCut, so plenty of different tools. And this is our final step.
Be the master of your day. 6. Simple strategies to manage your time and boost your productivity. Do you ever feel like the day just slips through your fingers? Like you're constantly running out of time?
Now, hopefully you can see how easy it is in those very simple steps to generate your own video script, to create your own AI images, to then go ahead and turn that image into a video or a GIF with simple animation, and then to get that over to TikTok, to Instagram, to Facebook, wherever you're showing up online. And just like that, start posting every single day and grow your Faceless channel.